This is a GCS News Break.
We have 7 stations around the Center for Advanced Manufacturing. Station 1 is for the AMT, the FAME program. We have the FAME employers. We have a station for automotive. We have a station for collision repair and machining and welding. We partnered with GCS to bring in CTE students that are in a certain pathway and kind of expose them to, we have collision here, we have the FAME program for advanced manufacturing technology. We have our automotive program, machining and welding, and so just to expose those students to those particular areas. So those are all the programs that are stationed in this building, and we're rotating them clockwise. So that way, it's about 15-minute increments, so that way everybody gets a taste of everything that we have to offer, specifically in the manufacturing field. The main point behind it is to promote manufacturing in a positive and creative way. So the FAME program stands for Federation of Advanced Manufacturing Education. It's basically a 2-year apprenticeship style program, or some people call it work-based learning program. For example, if there's a student from Ragsdale that wants to do the program, they go through an interview selection. You do have to have a 2.8 unweighted GPA or higher, so there is an academic component with this. So if everything matches up and the employers want to sponsor the student, they go through a 2-year program. The outcome is advanced manufacturing technician degree, 2 years. So the average salary starting out is around $60,000 for a 2-year degree, which is not too bad for an associate degree. Our employer partners are Toyota. We have Procter & Gamble as well. We have Abco, we have Joe Watt Adhesives in Thomasville, and we have WestRock as well, and Master Brand Cabinets. So that rounds out our employer sponsors throughout the area. It creates a pipeline for advanced manufacturing and students, and a lot of times, these companies are spending thousands and thousands of dollars training employees just out of the front door coming in. Well, now you have an apprenticeship program that will do it for you, and you come in and you have an associate degree and also certified training coming straight out of the gate.
Yeah, I think it's a good opportunity for me because at first I didn't want to go to college, but then the more I got into it, I started wanting to go to college, and GTCC was one of the top colleges I want to go to. Cause the opportunity and stuff like that, and seeing all the stuff and learning so much stuff, even from just being in the welding, it just made me more interested in it. It showed me all the opportunity, the possibilities I could get into.
Specifically with Guilford County Schools, that's our largest kind of local stakeholder, if you will. We work really well with them. As far as our CTE programs, we really try to drive home and connect with students and instructors and counselors in the CTE pathways in Guilford County Schools. It's one thing to go and just talk about it to somebody, but you really need to get on campus to see the hands-on aspect of it. That's how you really engage with the students, especially if you're talking about 17, 18-year-old juniors and seniors straight out of high school.
This has been a GCS News Break.